Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now select System, click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to click on Theme and scroll down. Now select Show More over here to see all available themes, and when you're ready, click on the best one for you. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, click on those three lines at the top left corner. Select one of those sources, I will go with Downloads. Tap on the photo, I will go with maybe that one. Or maybe this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!